The animated character stands confidently, the whiteboard behind him declaring, "Step 1. Know your why." The animated character states, "It's important to set clear investment goals, like retirement or buying a house." In a comfortable living room, a split screen reveals two contrasting realities, one burdened by debt, the other empowered by savings. A financial advisor stands reassuringly between the screens, offering a path to financial freedom. Words appear on the screens: build a financial cushion, pay off debts, save for emergencies. Investment options flash across the screen, each promising a different path. The narrator explains the basics of each investment type. An animated chart highlights the dramatic impact of compound interest over time. The screen shows the power of compound interest. Start early, grow more. The narrator says, the power of compound interest can dramatically increase your returns over time. Starting early is key. The city pulses with life, showcasing a vibrant mix of businesses. Each frame underscores the message: diversify your portfolio, reduce risk, smooth returns. A narrator says, the don't put all your eggs in one basket principle. A figure sits absorbed at a computer, eyes darting across the screen as options flash before them. Choose a platform that fits your goals and comfort level. A young woman taps her phone, investing a few dollars. An older man clicks through a website on his laptop, allocating a small sum. A student uses a tablet during a break, making a micro investment. An elderly couple sits contentedly on a park bench, their faces radiant as they watch their grandchildren play, bathed in the gentle caress of sunlight. A graph materializes, illustrating market uptrends, as a voice whispers, be patient, think long-term. Wealth is built over time.